is the performance art beginning stages of MASHION. We're creating history and enjoying it.
So, wow. So what we're doing, okay, shoot me. What we're doing is looking for the person who could help me make the sleeves. And I found someone in Pico-Union that I like, but he doesn't have a sewing machine that could sew this stitch that I like called interlock. So he doesn't have a machine. So I thought I'll bring my machine, and I hope he appreciates it. So we're gonna walk into the store, and Roxana has come to like help me explain it to him that this is not a stupid crazy thing to do. Instead, it's art. It's performance art.
That's correct.
Here. Don't run, don't run. You don't run, you don't run.
Maybe I'll run a little bit.
Hi. Hello.
Oh my god, look at that statue on Ernest Young. The guy with his head in the wall.
What? Oh. This is crazy. This is what we don't want. Look at us. We are working too, but we're not working like that. We are creating something brand new.
Yes.
Yet we're just going about it in a fun way.
I love downtown LA.